Linking words for IELTS Writing Task 2. In IELTS Writing Task 2, linking words play a crucial role in enhancing the coherence and cohesion of your essay. These words help connect ideas and create a smooth flow throughout your writing. Let's explore some common linking words and phrases that you can use. Listing in order. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, lastly, last but not least, finally. For example, 1. Firstly, I'd like to discuss the advantages of renewable energy sources. 2. Secondly, let's consider the impact of deforestation on climate change. 3. Lastly, we'll examine potential solutions to reduce plastic waste. Adding information. In addition, additionally, furthermore, moreover, also, not only, but also, as well as. For example, 1. The study found that exercise has numerous health benefits. Furthermore, it improves cardiovascular health and boosts mental well-being. 2. In addition, a balanced diet is essential for maintaining overall health. 3. She enjoys painting, as well as playing the piano. Giving examples. For example, one clear example is, for instance, such as, namely, to illustrate. In other words, for example, 1. For instance, electric cars are becoming increasingly popular due to their environmental benefits. 2. One clear example is the decline in air quality caused by vehicle emissions. 3. To illustrate, let's consider the impact of social media on mental health. Results and consequences. As a result, consequently, therefore, thus, hence, so, for this reason. For example, 1. The lack of proper waste management has consequences. As a result, pollution levels continue to rise. 2. He missed the deadline, therefore, he received a lower grade. 3. She didn't study for the exam, thus, her performance was poor. Highlighting and stressing. Particularly, in particular, specifically, especially, obviously, of course, clearly. For example, 1. Particularly, I'm interested in sustainable fashion. 2. In particular, organic farming practices promote soil health. 3. Obviously, climate change is a pressing global issue. Concessions and contrasts. Admittedly. However. Nevertheless. Even though. Although. But. Despite. In spite of. Still. On the other hand. By contrast. In comparison. Alternatively. Another option could be. For example. 1. Admittedly, some people prefer traditional teaching methods. However, online learning offers flexibility. 2. Even though she dislikes public speaking, she volunteered to give a presentation. 3. Despite the rain, the outdoor event was a success. Reasons and causes. Because. Owing to. Due to. Since. For example. 1. Because of the pandemic, travel restrictions were imposed. 2. Owing to financial constraints, the project was delayed. 3. Since childhood, he has been passionate about astronomy. Giving your opinion. In my opinion. I think. I believe. I admit. In my view. I concur. I agree. I disagree. I cannot accept. For example. 1. In my opinion, art plays a vital role in society. 2. I believe that education should focus on critical thinking skills. 3. I cannot accept the argument that technology isolates people.